Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake and Lorraine, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut and Lake Erie, from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 659, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake and Lorraine, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut and Lake Erie, from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 659 has been issued from 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake and Lorraine, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut and Lake Erie, from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, southern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, Lorain County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm outflow winds were located along a line extending from near western Vermilion to Green Springs to Macomb, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Findlay, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Western Vermilion, Bluffton, Armour, Lakewood, Strongsville, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, and Amherst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Hancock, Huron, Lorain, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 miles northwest of Geneva on the lake to near Fairport Harbor to 10 miles north of Lakewood, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Ashtabula, Willowick, Conneaut-Churton, Fairport Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Solon, Willoughby, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Geneva, South Russell, Madison, North Kingsville, and Middlefield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake.